In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a OneDrive folder name in just 5 minutes. This quick and easy process will help you better organize your files and keep everything neat and tidy. Let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your Microsoft account. You can do this by visiting account.microsoft.com and entering your login credentials. It's important to ensure that you're using the correct Microsoft account, as OneDrive is directly linked to it. Once logged in, you'll be able to access your OneDrive files. After logging in, navigate to the top left corner of your screen and look for the App Launcher, which resembles a grid of small squares. Click on this icon to expose a drop-down menu where you'll find all the apps associated with your Microsoft account. From this menu, select OneDrive. This will bring you to the main OneDrive page where all your files and folders are stored. Once in OneDrive, head over to the section labeled My Files. This area contains all your stored documents, including folders and individual files. Browse through this section until you find the specific folder whose name you want to change. Click on the folder to select it. After selecting the folder, you will notice a series of options appear above the file management area or alongside the folder name depending on your OneDrive layout. Now, look for the 3 dots icon, which is typically located next to the folder name. This icon represents the More Options menu. Clicking on these 3 dots will bring up a menu with various actions you can perform on the folder. From here, find and select the option labeled Rename. This action will open a text field allowing you to input the new name for your folder. Go ahead and type in the new folder name. It's a good idea to choose a name that clearly identifies the contents of the folder for easier access in the future. Once you've entered the new name, confirm your changes by clicking on the Rename button again. This will save your changes and you should immediately see your folder listed with its new name. And there you have it, you've successfully changed the name of a folder in OneDrive. This simple process not only helps in organizing your files, but also ensures that you can find what's most important without hassle. Remember, keeping your digital workspace organized can greatly enhance your productivity. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tips and guides.